Today's the first day I actually go to class. But I'm feeling so overwhelmed. Hey, I'm about to head out right now and go to campus because I decided to move in earlier. I've been packing these last few days and I think it's actually crazy that I'm moving in because I packed like almost every single piece of clothing that I owned and into like bags, and now I'm just like moving to a different city. So yeah, moving vlog. Wish me luck. Good morning. It is 9 a.m. I'm moving in to my dorm, but I'm done packing and we're gonna leave right now. Good morning. Today is the first day of uni and I'm going to my orientation right now, and all my roommates are still sleeping because it's like 7:30.
We like stuck together. Oh,
Reunited.
okay.
Reunited. Girl, we live like 3 minutes away from each other and we barely have seen each other in like the last 3 days. So
More to come.
oh yeah, we've both been pretty busy with like meeting people, I don't know, and doing stuff. It's been a hectic couple of days.
Diaries.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Where is this music coming from?
I'm on a bus tour, or like a city tour, with my roommate. It was a very successful outing today. I did spend a little too much, but look, I got, oh my god, I got a watch. And I got some prints for our dorm.
But yes, we're gonna pick up my Husky ID card. I left it accidentally when I pressed my kayaks yesterday.
So yeah, we're gonna go get that and then head back to the dorm.
Yes.
Reunited once again. We're going grocery shopping, so I need to get some groceries for my dorm. Esther's just keeping me company.
Much no support.
Esther and I are walking our classes right now before they actually start, because classes don't start till Wednesday and it's currently Sunday. Today's like the first day since we got here that it actually feels like Seattle, just because of how gloomy and like rainy it is. It's been really sunny and hot all week until today. I'm gonna head to a cafe to work on some job applications because I do want a job in my first quarter. So I'm gonna like do my resume and everything. Also, it's like the first week of college and classes haven't started yet, but I'm feeling so overwhelmed just because I've been talking to so many people and meeting so many people every day, and I'm not gonna lie, like everything's like blending together right now. So I did want to spend today kind of by myself, even if I get FOMO. But it's okay, I think it's good to take time for myself while I get adjusted. Let's go. Good morning! Today is the first day I actually go to class. I will vlog today and I'll let you guys know how it goes. We're in our first class, well my first class of the day, and it's chemistry, but there's so many people.
And hit me on the head.
We're done with our classes for the day and we're gonna go get dinner with the group. Let's go.
Oh, yep.
Day 2 of classes, and I'm heading to the public health building because I have my 8:30 a.m. class today. It's so early. I got back to my dorm and I'm getting ready because today's the first day of my rush. I'm rushing a sorority and it's rush week. I'm just gonna get ready and then go to my rush event. I put my hair up and this is my outfit. So I decided to change because I didn't want to look too much like a cupcake, but I think I like this better. I'm gonna head out and go to the library right now, just until my rush event starts because I still have like 2 hours. So we'll just get something done and then head over to rush later. Let's go. I just finished my rush event and it went well, I think. Everyone was really nice. I had a lot of fun. But Hannah and I are gonna go study with our friends because we have a lot of chem stuff to do for our lecture tomorrow. It's currently like 9 p.m. and we're still studying, like we're locked in. Oh yeah. Yeah, let's go. So tired. We got a package. It's like a shower caddy, like an organizer, so we're gonna build it.
Wait, what library did you guys go?
the